Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a new WordPress username on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account. Then go to the website's page. And next to the WordPress website that you want to create or add a new username on, click on this WordPress admin button. This way you will automatically log into your WordPress dashboard without having to manually log in. Now to add a new username, simply hover over users like that and click on add user. Here fill in the new username. Name, for example, let's call it Ben. My email, here fill in your new username email address. First name and last name are optional. And for the password, delete this suggested one. And let's hide mine first. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial and type your password. Here they will send the new user. Here you can select between sending new user and email. Here you can check this box next to send the new user an email about their account or not. I will not go with this option. And for the role, you can select between an administrator, an editor, an author, and a contributor, or just a subscriber. Let's click on add user. And here you will be redirected to this users page where you can see the available users on this WordPress website. If you want to edit or yes to modify or yes to edit the new username profile, just hover over it, click on edit, and you will see multiple options that you can edit. Here you will see additional things that you didn't see when you was creating this new username. You can even send a password reset to this new username. And this is how to first, or before wrapping this video, let's try to log in using the new username. The username is Ben and the password is this one. Click on login, and just like that, I've logged to my WordPress dashboard using the second username. That was only, I think, a subscriber. Yes, a subscriber. And this is how to add a WordPress username on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.